Hello everyone, welcome to Trade One in the Zone YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. That is 12/5/2021. That is a expiry trade also. So since Thursday is a holiday, so we have a expiry trade tomorrow. So in this video, we are going to see the four different analysis. The first analysis will be F&O, FIA and DAs, and then we are going to see option chart. And then we are moving into technical, and the final fourth one it is GAN numbers. So we'll see one by one. First we'll go with the FIA and DAE F&O data. If you see F&O data, so this tells client position, that means our retail traders, and this tells FIA position, and this is pro, that means DAE positions. So if you see the data, so all the retail traders are in long bullish side, and FIA completely bearish side, and only DAs they bought future to hedge this position, they bought put option, and even they sold call. So entire sentiment, F&O data sentiment says it is most probably a bearish side. So this number shows the bearishness in the market tomorrow also. Next we see the option data, the open interest chart. So if you see weekly, the 12th May, that is tomorrow expiry option data, which shows the calls are more shorted than the puts. So the build-up was more on call side. It is very less on put side, but it is only minor difference in the weekly range. And if you see here the strike wise, so 15,000 had a huge open interest, and downside and the put side 14,800, and the next 14,700. The most probably 14,600 will have the open interest build up. So as per the data, I'm expecting a range between 15,000 to the most probably 14,700. This is the range I'm expecting. In case of any huge gap down, there may be a fall, but as per this data, there is no huge gap down or heavy fall. So maybe a down to upward movement. There may be a selling chance, but still I'm not heavy bearish. That means the complete like 1,000 in the Nifty, 200, 300 point down. So marginally we can expect some selling market. The sell range, most probably a sell range. So you can take it 14,700 to 15,000 is the range for tomorrow expiry. And if you see today changes, that means open interest changes in today. So there are put unwinding. So in the money put options are unwinded, and even the data shows the puts are unwinded, but calls are still open. So that means it says same the bearish range market. So there may be a trend of bearishness. We'll see technical also like in the next part. So now we'll see Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty open interest chart also says the calls are shorted more than the put, and here the range for Bank Nifty is 33,000 is the round level, and the downside 32,500. So most probably this is the range for the expiry. So maybe between like 32,700 to 800 the expiry may happen. So that max pain also we'll see later, and we'll see today changes in the open interest. If you see today data, in the money put options are unwinded. The overtaken a position they have already covered. So maybe the smart money they are expecting a downside movement. So you can see here the slightly put were added and the calls were added more. So maybe a bearish range signal it is. We'll see the max pain in the both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty max pain right now stands at around 14,800, and if you see Bank Nifty, so it is around 33 range only. So the max pain. So we'll see tomorrow movement in the option chart. So around 33,000 is the range for the max pain. So maybe the tomorrow we'll see on the live market. Right now the max pain stands at 33. That is a round number. Now we'll move on to the technical analysis part. So if you see Nifty in our chart, there is a range right now. So we call it as a sideways. So market is moving down, up, down, up. Then it is almost started moving slightly higher. So if you see this range in 1 hour, so now it is in the top of the sideways. So you know very well about this technical things. If you know the channel pattern or the sideways pattern, the basic of this pattern is, so if it is in the top we can sell, and if it is in the bottom we can buy, and that is what is happening. So now it is trying to come down. So in case this trend has to get break, then the price has to trade above 15,100 in the Nifty. So if you see intraday, that is for tomorrow expiry, so we'll change it into 15 minutes. So we change it in the 15 minutes. So there was a uptrend here, so and there is a correction going on. So I'm expecting the further little more like the same level may come down again. So again it may started moving up. That is what I'm expecting technically. So technically I'm not complete bearish, but there was a trend line and it broken down now. So I'm expecting further little fall towards 14,700. That is even we seen in option chain data, open interest data. So from here the Nifty can move upside. So that is what I'm expecting here, and we'll see Bank Nifty also once. So if you see Bank Nifty, even 1 hour chart of Bank Nifty also looks like sideways. Is trading almost in the range now, so that is around here. So if you see the overall trend is bullish, now it is consolidating. So again there is a chance of coming down, then it may started moving up. Don't expect heavy fall, so we can expect a marginal fall towards this support level 32,000 in case of fall. So otherwise we can expect a bullish movement. We'll see 15 minutes for intraday for tomorrow expiry. So if you see 15-minute chart, so 15-minute chart also it is likely the trend line got broken today, and even after breakout it retested, and we can expect some retracement to this particular trend. So that means we can expect around 32,400 to 32,500 range. So from there market can take a support and can move up. This technical thing. So we'll see GAN numbers also in the next part. If you see GAN level, so yesterday the high was broken and it was started trading here, and suddenly today the market opened gap down. That means the sell level get triggered, and it took a proper sell at this 14,884. Since I mentioned this is the resistance in the morning Telegram channel, and from there the market has to come down to take a support at 14,700. So that is what I'm expecting tomorrow. So all the data shows bearish. So even the trend line got broke down in the technical analysis we have seen. Even the GAN number also, the buy number stands at 14,700. So in case we want to buy, why I'm suggesting buy, the overall trend is buy. So we have to look for a buy for the good target. So if you see here, this is I'm expecting a accumulation zone again. So 14,641 to 14,700 is a buy level, If you want to sell, in case of flat opening or slightly gap up somewhere around here, and even if it is gap down, there is a chance of selling. So we can expect this range to reach. So morning you look for a sell. So in case the price reached 14,700, don't be in the sell side, just wait for a reversal pattern at this particular zone, so market can start more higher. So in case of gap up also, you can try to sell. Keep a stop loss of 14,945. This is for Nifty, and I'm repeating again. So in case market open gap up, that is also sell. If it is opening flat, that is also sell. Even gap down, we can go for a sell, since the buy range is 14,700 to 14,651. For the sell, you have to keep a stop loss of 14,945. And if you are buying at this level, then your stop loss must be below 14,580. That is, this is the level you have to keep a stop loss in case we are buying. This is the buying zone for the next targets. So we'll see Bank Nifty also. If you see Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is already in the buying level. So even morning gap down and started moving up, because I already mentioned the previous videos. So we are in the bullish market, so we have to look for a buy. So this is the area where we have to concentrate more on buying. So yesterday the level was very high, so I said in case of fall towards this, you can start buy. The same thing happened in the morning. So it gap down and recovered 300 plus point, and at this level also I mentioned there is a resistance, so careful. So after that the market started falling in an intraday basis. So tomorrow I'm expecting the same level to be activated. So this is the area where the market has to reach for buying. 32,400 will be good support to buy, so we can expect a bullish momentum. And 32,41 is a stop loss we have to maintain. And upside, in case gap up opening around 33,800 to 33,489, this is the area you have to look for a selling opportunity in case of gap up. So from here again market can come down. The stop loss you have to keep above 34 to 25. So this is the level for tomorrow. And in case of gap down, this is the level, particular level you have to look for a buying pattern, and it can move higher, and keep a stop loss of 32,441. And in case of gap up opening, and you can buy till this level, but stop loss will be very high. So look for a selling opportunity at this area. In case of gap up, wait for the price action and look for the selling opportunity at this level. And this must be your stop loss, 34 to 25. And from here market can come down in case of gap up. So in case of flat opening, we just wait for some pattern, reversal patterns. So in case of flat opening, just wait for the pattern breakout, either upside or downside, you can go for a trade. In case of huge gap up and gap down, wait for this buy level or a sell level. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.